lights cast shadows that dance and mock. Echoes of footsteps in the night, invisible whispers take flight tight. Concrete jungle secrets they keep, neon dreams where the wild ones leap. Cars race by with faces unseen, hopes and fears in the in-between. We're living in the echoes of the city lights, running from the darkness into neon nights. Street stories blending in a symphony, rhythms of a town lost in reverie. Pretty poets tell tales and spray, silent rebels they take their say. Under bridges where the stories breathe, ghosts of yesterday they never leave. Moonlight mingles with the flashing signs, lost souls search for the hidden lines, a place untouched but never found. Urban legends in the underground.